squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am filming a DIY tube top video, and this is an upgraded version of my DIY tube top video, and we're just gonna go through it and make some changes. And yes, it's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's get right into it. Okay, let us begin. So I'm just going through it and we're gonna update some stuff that I now know and give some tips. So once again, you do need a simple t-shirt. An old t-shirt works. What I've learned is that if you have something that has a really nice pattern, that really works well. I've done a lot of these little tube tops, and honestly, use something that has a nice pattern. Okay, so first step, you're going to take your t-shirt and you're just going to turn it around so that you can see the bottom of your t-shirt, like that. Still under your armpits. And you're just going to put it under your armpits. The bigger the t-shirt, the better. Just put it under your armpits like that. Okay, so you have it under your armpits like that. And then, so you can just see. Belly button. And then you're going to put your finger where your belly button is. You're going to grab your pen. And then you're just going to make a little line to how long you want it, like where you want it to stop for the cut. So for me, I like it just like slightly above the belly button, so like right there. So you're just gonna make a sign. Okay, so make sure it's visible. Make sure you have a flat surface. Okay, so you're just gonna lay the t-shirt on a flat surface. I put it on my bed, and as you can see the little dot that I made. A longer ruler will help you, because creating a line with a ruler that's that small is a little bit harder. You're gonna draw with your pen a straight line across the t-shirt. Okay, just like that. So you guys can see that line that just goes across the t-shirt right there. Okay, so the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your scissors, and we're just gonna cut along that line, because as straight if you don't, you're really going to struggle with non-sharp scissors. Just like that. Okay, so we have our cut piece. As you guys can see, make sure this is always at the top, because that will be the top part of our tube top. Already sewn where the lining is, or so the next step here is we're just, as you can see, it's just like that, like it's just a big piece of t-shirt. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut one end over here, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just cut as best as you can, and then open that up. It should look like this. Next thing that you're going to do, as you can see, this is a very long piece, so what you're going to do is you're going to try on this piece just like we did before. Make sure you make an obvious mark, because if you can't see it, there's no point. You're going to be like, where did I make that mark? Basically how wide your chest is. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll come closer to show you guys. I made 2 small dots on the inside. You see, this is going to be my outside, on the inside of my little fabric, showing how wide my chest is. Measurements is everything. So that at least from your chest point, you have at least this much fabric left. So, for example, I'll show you guys with a ruler. If this is my chest point, that's the chest point, I should at least have a ruler length. So 30 centimeters. So same thing on the other side. 30 centimeters is a very good measurement. 30 centimeters, yeah, I have. For me personally, it might be different for you, to be honest. Go with whatever size you are. I think that's better. But okay, so next step is we are going to create. So this is where a lot of people got confused. So basically, think about it as 2 triangles on that piece of fabric, right? It's like a zigzag. It's 2 zigzags. I saw some comments where in my other video some people were confused. Just basically 2 triangles. Very easy. It's a zigzag. Pieces like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Then you do the same thing on the other side. It's not going to be perfect, but try your best to just make sure to get those 2 triangles, because you do need to tie a knot at the back. Perfect. So now I have triangles here and there. Okay, as you guys can see, this is basically our tube top. You guys will see it come together in a minute. But what it represents, this is the inside. Remember, wherever we're writing, that's the inside. This is going to be used to wrap the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's how it's going to be, like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it on and then show you guys how you're gonna close it and wear it. Okay, so you tried the, yep, easy. You're just tying it at the back.
So it looks like that, right?
Try to get someone to help you with this. I kind of struggled tying it by myself, but if you can do it, if you have long arms, I have very long arms, it works. But if you can't, just get someone to tie it for you. Don't go through the trouble. Don't dislocate your shoulder doing this. Just ask for help.
You get the second bottom piece. It's a little bit easier to reach, obviously.
Perfect. And there you go. You have your tube top. It looks really good. Try to get something that has a really nice pattern if you want it to pop. Honestly, it's the easiest tube top you can ever make. You guys can do it. I know you can. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this updated video, and I hope you enjoyed the tips as well. Let me know in the comments below if you try this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad.